Hello everyone, Adrian from askhowtube. Welcome to my channel. Okay, today I'm gonna have a video which I'm not sure if it's gonna work. I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. This is my favorite drill bit holder, but I got something stuck inside and the magnet inside is holding it and I cannot take it out. I looked on YouTube, I looked on Google for other people advice. I tried with another magnet, I tried with water, I tried so many different things. I'm not saying they're not good, but unfortunately for my situation is not working. So what I'm gonna try to do, that's why I said I'm not sure it will work. I'm gonna drill a hole inside. I'm gonna try to drill a hole and make a thread and then put a screw in and pull it out. Wish me luck, guys. Yes, yes, it's done. So look what I did, guys. Hole, and I use this to make a thread, but you don't even need to make a thread because straight away it's catching it and it's pulling it out. I hope it will help you if you ever occur to situations like this. Thanks for watching. I'm happy I did it because this is my favorite one and looks like it's not damaged. Very good. Just gonna test it. Woohoo! Thanks for watching, guys. Good luck. Bye bye.